What's up?
Hi guys!
Sa akala ko ba what's up? Hi.
Nag-okay ka sa hi guys.
Hindi, what's up? And yun! Magandang araw, mga buddy. Napaka-awkward pala.
Oo nga.
Ano, magsalita ka? Ano ba yan? Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Ang hirap pala mag-vlog. Anyway, lalaro kami ngayon. Mga pilingero.
Pakilala ka muna.
Hi guys!
Guys!
Awkward mag-vlog talaga.
Sige na. Hi
What's
guys!
up? What's up? Kumusta? Welcome sa channel namin. Medyo gabi na pero may naisip kami laro.
Gabi na.
Oo, actually napanood lang namin to. Yan! Okay na to. What's up guys? Ako nga pala si Jan.
Ako sa JaNea.
Unfortunately, ito yung JaNea Vlogs.
Bali.
Trial and error pa to. Pero masasanay din kami siguro.
So, susubukan muna namin.
Oo.
Sa pinakauna naming gagawing video or first vlog ever ng JaNea Vlog.
Knock ka nang. May naisip kami laro. Actually, napanood lang namin to sa YouTube.
Parang challenge din siya.
Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Mumug challenge ata to. Ano?
Water challenge.
Basta mumug challenge. Tapos manonood kami ng mga nakakatawang video. Tapos,
Nanood kami ng
kung sino ang dumuwal or bumuga ng tubig, papaluin sa ulo. Walang jowa-jowa to. Pambawi na to.
Baliw.
Okay, game?
So, magsimula na tayo. Inom muna kami inom ng tubig pero hindi lulunukin.
We've got a little boy called Roman. He's here.
Who makes you laugh?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm a new dad for the first time. But all I want to do is be better than my dad, right? My dad had no patience, right? Me and my best friend Michael Murphy, after school every day, we play football on the estate. I had the parent who would ruin that game by calling me inside for something I didn't think was necessary. All you would hear, because I've got African parents, right? My dad would shout like, Cujo, come here. Now, Michael always had confrontation with my dad. He was like, Coach, what's going on, mate?
Parang mo tatawa dito English, di ko na naintindihan.